or if they are connected in parallel. Now first discussing about the series combination. Here I have made a diagram in which two inductor L1 and L2 are connected in series. We know that in series combination the current remains same, but the potential difference will be different across two coils. If E1 be the potential difference across L1 while E2 is the potential difference across L2, then the net potential difference between point A and B will be given by E is equals to E1 plus E2, where this E is equals to minus L di upon dt. It is from Faraday's law. So this will equal to L di upon dt is equals to minus L di minus L1 di upon dt minus L2 di upon dt. Because the current remains same in series combination, so from here we will get L is equals to L1 plus L2. If there are n coils which are connected in series, then the resultant inductance of this combination will be L is equals to L1 plus L2 plus L3 up to Ln. It means in series combination of inductance, the resultant inductance will be equal to sum of their individual inductances. Now discussing about parallel combination. Here I have made a diagram in which two inductors L1 and L2 are connected in parallel. As the current I flows after reaching at this point, it divides into two parts, I1 and I2. In parallel combination, the EMF remains same while the current is different in different branches. If I be the total current and I1 and I2 are the current through L1 and L2, then I will be equal to I1 plus I2. On differentiating this equation, we will get, differentiating with respect to t, we will get di upon dt is equals to di1 upon dt plus di2 upon dt. We know that di upon dt minus L di upon dt is equals to E. So minus L1 d I1 upon dt or di1 upon dt is equals to minus E upon L. Similarly, minus L2 di upon dt is equals to E or minus E upon L2 is equals to di2 upon dt. Because the EMF in both the coils will be same, so from equation number 1 we get minus E upon L is equals to minus E upon L1 minus E upon L2. On simplifying, we will get 1 upon L is equals to 1 upon L1 plus 1 upon L2, or L is equals to L1 L2 upon L1 plus L2. This is the formula for resultant inductance in case we have connected two inductors in parallel combination. If there are n number of inductors, then the formula will change like this: 1 upon L is equals to 1 upon L1 plus 1 upon L2 plus up to 1 upon Ln. So this is the formula for parallel combination of n inductors.